There's some interesting names in your front line here. Tom Bradshaw, one of them. A great opportunity for him.
Yeah, and it's good because we travel around Wales a lot. Ingwyn Hughes and myself, and we go to grassroots football. We go to the Welsh Premier League games. And we do a lot of talks, and I'm asked the same question about could I ever pick a player from the Welsh League, the Welsh Premier League, to come and play for the first team. And my answer is, if I had to do that, then we're doing something wrong at our level, because there is a gap between the Welsh Premier League and international football. That's not to say that players from the Welsh Premier League can eventually get to a position where they're challenging for a place in the national team. Tom Bradshaw is a classic example. Makes his debut at Aberystwyth as a 16-year-old, plays in the Welsh Cup final. He ends up going to Shrewsbury, and I think Aberystwyth received 30,000 compensation. And then Tom goes on, he's at Walsall, he's banging goals, and he's got 9 already this season. So it can happen, it's possible. The pathway is there. If the player's good enough, he wants to work hard enough and sacrifice enough, and Tom's obviously done that. You never know, the opportunity can come knocking, and it's great for Tom. It's great for the Welsh Premier League also. It's another player that, along with Steve Evans and Mark Delaney back in my day, who did the same thing. And they went on from the Welsh Premier League and professional football players and international players. And Tom Bradshaw's, he's got an opportunity, and he's deserved it.